Good day everyone, my name is Hannah Kyla Isobelling. Today I will discuss about the 2025 Labor Day protests. I'm going to discuss the causes. The 2025 Labor Day protests in Manila, organized by the May 1 movement and other labor unions, were driven by widespread dissatisfaction with the government's economic policies and persistent labor rights violations. The central demand was to raise the minimum daily wage to 1,200 pesos, citing the current wage of 645 pesos as insufficient to meet the basic needs of a five-person family. Labor unions accused the government of prioritizing policies that benefit foreign investors and private companies, such as privatization at the expense of workers' welfare. The protest also reflected broader concern about systemic labor rights violations, including illegal dismissals, unpaid wages, and suspension of collective. The second one, consequences. The protest resulted in clash between demonstrators and police, highlighting the tension between labor unions and the government. The clashes led to injuries and arrests, further intensifying the conflict between workers and authorities. The protests also drew attention to the broader issue of labor rights violation and the need to wage reform in the Philippines. The event underscored the challenges faced by labor unions in advocating for worker rights and the limitation of existing mechanisms to address labor disputes. Conclusion: The 2025 Labor Day protests serve as a reminder of the ongoing struggle for labor rights and economic justice in the Philippines. The incident highlighted the need for stronger government action to protect workers' rights and address the systemic issues that contribute to labor disputes. The protests also emphasized the importance of labor unions in advocating for workers' interests and the need for effective mechanisms to resolve labor disputes peacefully. The event underscored the need for a comprehensive approach to labor reform, including wage adjustment, improved working conditions, and the strengthening of labor unions to ensure a more equitable and just labor environment in the Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.